In this video, we're going to be talking about Dogelon Mars. We're going to be checking out the Twitter page, seeing if we've had any updates, any news regarding Dogelon Mars. As well as that, we're going to be checking out the technical analysis on Elon and Dogelon Mars, essentially. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 500 subs. As well as that, before investing into Dogelon Mars, please do your own research, as I'm not a financial advisor. So as you can see on CoinMarketCap, Dogelon Mars is up 3.53% over the last 24 hours. You can see here that we were overall in a bearish part, and now we've started to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, which is essentially what we need. This is the type of price action we would like to see when it comes to Dogelon Mars. And if we check on the weekly, we can see on the weekly we've pretty much been very bullish. Actually, this is the type of price action we like to see. We did have a huge impulse up, like a little pump, essentially. That's what you like to call it. But if we check on the monthly, we did have a major drop occur. If you check my older videos, you can see that I did call this out, that this would be a really good zone to essentially buy in, and possibly even a 1, 2, 3x your initial investment. But if we check on the quarterly, you can see pretty much just had all these equal highs. Nothing major occurring, and we did have a huge drop occur. But I think this is mainly due to the current market conditions of Bitcoin, and yeah. But if we check on the yearly, we can see that pretty much been in bullish territory. This is the type of movement we like to see, all bullish, everything's nice and clean. But if we check on the overall market, you can see the overall market is down 7.18% of the last day. You can see the global crypto market cap is 1.75 trillion. You can see Bitcoin 42.5. Let's quickly check on Bitcoin 42.5. You can see Ethereum 2.9, BNB 400. So it's pretty much not looking too good for the crypto global market, as we've essentially been down. The overall market is down 7.18%. So if we quickly check over on Dogelon Mars Twitter page, we can see that they are now close to 700,000 followers. Crazy stuff. But if we check, they say Dogelon is now live on Fuse Network. Voltage pools are engaged. Beefy Vault online. With the help of Fuse, we will soon expand all corners of the galaxy. So we've got some new news regarding this FuseNet. So yeah, make sure you check this out. As well as that, an idea isn't given life when it reaches a prototype, so nothing major. And NFTs increase in popularity. So they could be hinting that some NFTs could be coming soon for Dogelon Mars. You just have to wait. And then you can see on the 20th of Jan, they did have this. They were the top highest viewed coins. I think that they were 10th. Yeah, they were 10th. Dogelon Mars was 10, the Elon coin. So yeah. But if we quickly check over here onto trading view, we can see that the overall market is pretty much at pullback. In my opinion, I feel like we can definitely take out these highs. Let me just get rid of this. In my opinion, I feel like this is probably the best point to get liquidity. Possibly reach above these zones. This is probably my main area where I would expect price to possibly even come to. And yeah, we just have to wait and see what happens from this pullback. If we drop down to the 4 hour, let's quickly check, see what's happening. You can see we've been making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and it looks like we're starting to gradually come back down into this support zone. You can see here, hopefully price is respecting this. We've had a change of character, break of structure. They're essentially soon hoping to reach this high, in my opinion. But you just have to wait and see if you do get a break of structure from this high. So we're just gonna have to wait and see. But a lot more long term, we can see in the daily, it does have the potential. If it breaks past these highs, we could have the potential to reach a new all-time high, essentially. But we have to take into consideration of Bitcoin. You can see Bitcoin here on the weekly is pretty much being bearish, essentially. Looks like we're starting to have a change in character. If you drop it into the 4 hours, you can see that we did have a breakout structure. We're possibly pulling back, filling this imbalance, and then once we fill in the balance, we could possibly even target these equal highs. So yeah, I think the overall market is going to start becoming bullish, but it just depends on how quick this occurs, and as Bitcoin is the leader of the coins. So yeah, if we quickly check Ethereum, you can see Ethereum is making a little accumulation phase or something, if you want to say that. But in my opinion, I feel like Dogelon Mars does have the potential to do major stuff. We're just gonna have to wait and see how this plays out, and if you have any new listings or new exchange. But it definitely does have the potential to reach past this. But even if you even get a little Coinbase or Binance listing, then the price will go exponential, as these two exchanges have huge volume of people that are essentially signed up to them, and then therefore will increase. More holders, more the price will increase. Essentially, that's how I see it as. So yeah, and that's about it. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, as I'm trying to hit 500 subs. Peace.